can't find your blocked accounts list on the X app if the blocked accounts section is missing, not loading, or you can't manage blocked users, it can make it difficult to review or unblock accounts. In this video, we'll show you how to find blocked accounts list on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. Here we'll find the X app. You will tap here. In this page of X, you will go to this sign on above of profile. Here in this page of profile, you will tap on settings and privacy. And then in this list of settings and privacy, what you will find is this page of privacy and safety. Then here we'll find your mute and block list. And then here in this page you will find blocked accounts, and in this window you can find all your blocked accounts if you blocked anyone. So please don't forget to